Hello. This is the most khatarnak Sahil Khattar. You will see me as Balli Chaudhary in 200 Halla Ho, but do not forget to watch Entertainment Shots with Surbhi on Entertainment Reports. Like, share, and subscribe because all of it is khatarnak.
Tell me, how did this film happen?
मैं as an actor मैं ब्रेक करना चाहता था वो सारा फनी वो वाला जो इमेज है ना जो कॉमेडी कोशेंट मेरा हमेशा हाई समझते हैं लोग बिकॉज़ फिल्म बिजनेस इज ऑल अबाउट इमेजरी एंड परसेप्शन.
How long did you take to get into that role?
तो जब ये रोल आया ना शूट वाज 30 डेज अवे तो मैंने रियलाइज किया कि यार मैंने उड़ता तीर नहीं उड़ती मिसाइल ले लिया.
Many congratulations. I was taken aback after watching the trailer, man. I had never imagined Sahil, to be Balli Chaudhary. Like, come on. You've seen you in being Indian. I've always had a crush on Shahid Kapoor, being that chocolate boy. अचानक से उनको हैदर में देख के I was shocked, taken aback, I was
हैदर में भी शाहिद कपूर ने मेरा लुक कॉपी किया था by the way. If you remember, it was this look he had in Haider.
I mean, yes, I was scared of him, Haider, even Nawazuddin. So your presence in the trailer reminded me of Raman Raghav and Haider, such great movies that we have had in Bollywood. And I was like, oh my God, what?
We have to pause you there. I need some iced tea to just digest this.
Yes, please.
What? ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया दीदी?
I'm not joking. Like, seriously, मेरे को लगा कि पता नहीं, oh my God, this guy is like, ये हमेशा आप इधर हंसाते रहे. You've always given us this ridiculous comedy and all of that. But, like that, carrying us with that intense, crazy character is something I was genuinely, pleasantly surprised, And I can't wait to watch 200. I'm not joking.
Thank you so much. Like as the title of the film, 200, when this role came to me, I realized कि यार ये ऐसे तो execute नहीं कर पाऊंगा if I don't give my 200%.
Absolutely. So tell me, how did this film happen?
When they offered me the script, the role, firstly in the meeting, I just saw the picture of the guy जिससे ये inspired है character because it's a real life incident, right? जिनसे पूरी फिल्म इंस्पायर्ड है तो मेरे को लगा यार सही है थोड़ा अच्छा सा लग रहा है. Then I read the script and I got into details and I started researching about the whole case. Then I was all in because it was so interesting. Sarthak Dasgupta has beautifully written the film as well. And not just that, मैं as an actor मैं ब्रेक करना चाहता था वो सारा फनी वो वाला जो इमेज है ना जो कॉमेडी कोशेंट मेरा हमेशा हाई समझते हैं लोग because film business is all about imagery and perception. I hope you know that.
Yes.
And because of that, I wanted to break that image and that is why I took up this role. And उसी के साथ साथ मैं ये भी चाहता था प्रूव करना कि a lot of people think कि ये frivolous YouTube content creators ये क्या acting करेंगे या ये TV anchors funny ये क्या acting करेंगे आप देख रहे हो?
Speechless.
So I'm happy that this is the response. I am happy that people are receiving it with both open arms and giving me such a good reaction. And I'm happy to get comparisons like Haider, Nawaz Bhai.
Yeah.
Those were my references. When I saw these films for my research purposes, those were the references. All the Hollywood films, all the OTT content that was about serial killers, serial molesters, Raman Raghav, Raghuveer Yadav wali and Nawaz Bhai wali, Dushman, Sangharsh, आशुतोष राणा जी की फिल्म्स. Then I have no clue. मैंने पता नहीं बाजीराव क्यों देख ली रिसर्च करने के लिए पर ऐसा अच्छा लगा देख ली.
Because अब जब आपने बोला that your haircut is, I mean your look is kind of like maybe the Haider's look is inspired by your look. Now I think आपने अभी बाजीराव मस्तानी बोली, that reminded me of Ranveer Singh's look as well. I mean even that look is somehow inspired by Mr. Sahil Khattar.
The only difference is that Vishal Bhardwaj and Sanjay Leela Bhansali didn't have my number.
Otherwise Sahil Khattar to final होता. He would be our Bajirao.
I am from Punjab. I would have been Bajirao.
Oh yes. Absolutely. Sahil, हम आपको of course next देखने वाले हैं 83 में. But in 200, I mean, you are the subject and the entire film is revolving around you. do you think that it's your jackpot script? एक हर एक्टर की लाइफ में एक ऐसी script आती है ना, that लगता है
Wow,
यार
can
that
you-
is what.
I don't know if you can see the goosebumps.
No, I can't, but I can surely feel it through your face.
You know, मेरे बाल भी नहीं है, but यहाँ भी goosebumps हैं. मैं दिखा नहीं सकता. That's a great question. I don't think this is my jackpot script. I think this is a jackpot script, and to be a part of this film with such a strong social message, I think मेरी खुशकिस्मती है, because ये एक तीर से इतने निशाने लगने वाले हैं, ये एक तीर मिसाइल बन के लगेगा. I think it's going to hit big and it's going to hit sharp. और बहुत ऐसे कम सब्जेक्ट होते हैं जो hit big और sharp दोनों ही करें. So yes, I do feel that it's a big responsibility, but I don't think it's a jackpot. मैंने मेहनत ऐसे करी है जैसे, you know, everybody says कि ऐसे मेहनत करो जैसे it's your first and last film, it's the only film. मैंने मेहनत इतनी करी है, and वो I'm happy कि वो दिख भी रहा है आपको. बस मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि इसके बाद, इस फिल्म के बाद, एक तो ये फिल्म वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से बहुत ज्यादा स्प्रेड हो, लोग फिल्म के बारे में बहुत अच्छी बातें करें, और दूसरा कि साहिल खट्टर एज एन एक्टर को एक्नॉलेज करना शुरू करें.
आपने ये बोला अपने प्रीवियस इंटरव्यूज में that you know you always have to give someone your awe and shock moment, your and theirs, you know, to get a role or someone to get impressed by you. So what was that awe and shock moment जो आपने director को या producer को दिया, that they thought you could be Balli Chaudhary in 200?
Actually awe moment मेरे साथ हुआ, और शॉक तब दिया होगा जब किसी ने सजेस्ट किया होगा मेरा नाम. क्योंकि मैं जब मेरे पास जब भी आए, मैंने बोला कितने सही है यार, मतलब दे आर गिविंग मी अ करियर चेंजिंग फिल्म. एंड शॉक तब हुए होंगे लोग जब उनको पता चला होगा कि मैं ये कैरेक्टर करने वाला हूँ, और अब हो रहे हैं लोग जब मैं ये कैरेक्टर कर रहा हूँ. सो इसमें बहुत सारे ऑ एंड शॉक मोमेंट्स हैं फिल्म के अंदर. ये जो ऑनेस्टी से कैरेक्टर निभाया है मैंने, जो पागलपन दिखाया है, आई थिंक वो एक शॉक है लोगों के लिए, पर उसके पीछे की जब तैयारी देखेंगे और सुनेंगे, उसके लिए सब कहेंगे ओ यार बड़ी मेहनत करी है यार इसने. जैसे कि ये इंटरव्यू में अगर आपको पता चलेगा कि मैंने कितनी घिसाई है इस कैरेक्टर में जाने के लिए, तो आपके मुंह से भी निकल जाएगा ओ यार बड़ी मेहनत करी है यार. और कुछ हो ना हो, इसको फोन आने चाहिए बड़े बड़े लोगों के बस.
So you are expecting, you know, जैसे कि there are a few biggies in the industry जिनका एक लेटर, एक बुके या एक फोन आ जाता है, तो ऐसा लगता है oh my god yes this is something, you know, I have finally achieved it. ये भी एक तरह का wish list होता है जिसपे टिक टॉक होनी बहुत जरूरी होती है. So do you think that your role as Balli Chaudhary in 200 will or can get you letters or bouquets or calls from those biggies in the industry?
First of all, I loved it when you said Balli Chaudhary in 200. Matlab, that is the character I went into. It was Balli Chaudhary multiplied by 100. मैं इतना घुस गया था. Number two, I have a very big rule in my life that I have followed, which is to expect nothing and be prepared for the worst, so that everything that comes to you is bonus. Bonus में मेरे को जो भी आएगा मैं ऐसे हाथ जोड़ के जी आया नु करांगा, but I am not expecting anything because मैंने जितना अपना हार्ड वर्क और परिश्रम और प्रेपरेशन देनी थी इस फिल्म को दे दिया. I literally gave my blood, sweat, tears. ब्लड, क्योंकि मेरे को इतनी चोटें लगी इस फिल्म में, किसी ने मेरे पैर पत्थर मार दिया, एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस थे, चाकू यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा, दरवाजा तोड़ना था, मेरा कंधा इंजर्ड हो गया. ब्लड ऐसे, स्वेट ऐसे कि मतलब 24 घंटे आई वाज ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस कैरेक्टर. ऑब्वियसली आई वेंट इनटू अ वेरी डार्क स्पेस मेंटली, एंड टू गेट मी आउट ऑफ दिस आई नीडेड लाइक अ 1 month गोवा वेकेशन. फिर उसके बाद मैं वापस आया हूँ. एंड टीयर्स बिकॉज once it wrapped up, and in the middle also there was so much of mood swings, you know, like I went into a zone of what is life, what am I doing? Because there was so much of mood swings. I was in a bad mental space, and I was not having carbs at all, because the kind of physicality that I had to achieve for this character was the physicality of a worker that works in construction. You know, वो वाली physicality चाहिए थी, एकदम thin, एकदम ऐसा veins निकल रही होती है, you know, that kind of a body. So yeah, I've given it all. I am only hoping कि वापसी भी कुछ मिले बस. Expectation zero है, पर hope है.
we've seen that, you know, Heath Ledger took like 1 full year, you know, to prepare to get into that role. How long did you take to get into that role?
तो जब ये रोल आया ना, shoot was 30 days away. तो मैंने रियलाइज किया कि यार मैंने उड़ता तीर नहीं उड़ती मिसाइल ले लिया. अब ये कैसे करूंगा. बट फिर एक बार ही होता है ना कि भाई घुस गए तो घुस गए. मैंने 30 दिन में आई गेस 300 दिन की मेहनत करी होगी. डे एंड नाइट आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस. आई वाज गोइंग फॉर डिक्शन क्लासेस बिकॉज द गाय इज फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र. मेरी पहली फिल्म में मैं हैदराबादी प्ले किया हूँ विच इज मिस्टर सैयद किरमानी. इस फिल्म में मराठी एक्सेंट है. मैं एक्चुअली पंजाब से हूँ. मेरी इंग्लिश की वैसी दिक्कत है. तो मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं कितनी वैरायटी के कंपार्टमेंट्स में डलूंगा. वर्कआउट हुआ 30 दिन. आई मीन यू कैन इमेजिन सुबह शाम HIT चल रहा है. I was having, I mean, next to nothing for my meals because I had a dad bod. मतलब मेरी तोंद इतनी बड़ी हो गई थी. ये अगर स्ट्रक्चर है ऐसे मेरा पेट निकलता था because लॉकडाउन था ना. और पंजाबी पेरेंट्स के साथ मतलब मैं रहता हूँ बॉम्बे में नाउ. तो there was only पराठे, पिज़्ज़े, पकौड़े सारे ठूस दो अपने बच्चे दे मुंह च ना. I am so happy to look at the results. I am so happy. Sarthak is so happy, who's the director and the writer of the film. Yeah. I am so happy. I'm getting raving reviews from people like you. मेरे को बहुत खुशी मिल रही है. I mean, I can't believe that I am being talked about in the same 1 hour of having Heath Ledger in the same conversation, Shahid Kapoor and Nawaz. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Even if it's not in the same breath, it's fine. But आप उस 1 घंटे में इन लोगों का इकट्ठे नाम ले रहे हो, मैं उसी में गदगद हो गया हूँ.
If suppose fictionally सोचे, okay, बल्ली चौधरी बहुत अच्छा आदमी बन गया है. उन्हें अपनी गलती का रियलाइजेशन हो गया है. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो गया है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके स्टोरी, उसके लाइफ में एक लव एंगल आ गई है. And now he is respecting women, which is completely opposite to, you know, जो भी allegations उस पे लगाए जा रहे हैं. So ऐसा कौन सा awe and shock moment आप देंगे to the crush or love of your life? You as Balli Chaudhary, okay, Sudrava Balli Chaudhary.
I'll make you imagine it, okay? So trailer में my girlfriend would be at her house and मैं knock करूँगा और बोलूँगा postman. और फिर जब वो दरवाजा खोलेगी पहले उसको लगेगा शॉक क्योंकि फिल्म में बहुत ऐसे एक पिवटल मोमेंट पे ये डायलॉग आता है दरवाजा खोलने के लिए जहाँ पे शायद खून खराबा हो जाएगा. और फिर जब उसको शॉक लगेगा फिर जैसे वो दरवाजा खोलेगी पर मेरे हाथ में फ्लावर्स होंगे. वो शॉक के बाद शॉक नहीं होगा. Probably दूसरे हाथ में एक लीश पे एक छोटा सा गोल्डन रिट्रीवर पप होगा. You know, baby for you.
Yeah. And how would Sahil Khattar impress in an awe and shock moment to the love of his life?
So there is no awe and shock when I have to impress a woman that I love.
Okay.
You know, if I'm interested in somebody, I think the best pickup line is, "Hi, I am so and so," and then the conversation prevails. You don't have to go every time and say, "Hey babe, your dad was a terrorist. That is why you are such a bomb." No, you don't have to. But if I had to impress a girl, I would just be plain, simple, hardcore, honest. And if she can't see through that, that means that she's not the girl. Number 1. Number 2, मैंने पंजाबी पिकअप लाइंस बड़ी बनाई हैं. तो मैं वो जरूर मारूंगा कि supposedly it's you. So I'll be like, "Girl, are you Gurdwara?"
Because I like worshipping you.
No. Girl, are you Gurdwara? The girl will say no. But I think you are because I will do seva 24/7 for you.
Oh.
Girl,
okay.
are you maa ki galiyan? She will say, "No, sorry, what?" I said, "Because I can listen to you bedtime."
Wow, that is amazing.
Girl, are you Gurdas? She will like, "Sorry, what?" "No." Phir manja.
Yeah, okay. Wow, I am sure लड़की पक्का पड़ेगी.
इसमें शॉक एंड ऑ है.
Absolutely. Definitely. अच्छा, you have so many feathers in your hat, you know. आप businessman भी हो, आप YouTube भी करते हो, आप actor भी हो. How do you manage all this? मतलब हमारे तो दिन में 24 घंटे ही रहते हैं. Are there any extra hours for you in the day?
See, I'll tell you what. I think whatever we do is a business. We are in a business of selling emotions. That is what
Yes.
content making is. Selling ourselves as well. So businessman वो term निकाल देते हैं. But yes, YouTube, television, acting. I produce a lot for brands. I have my own YouTube channels, probably a consultant firm. It doesn't matter. I just need to know if the work is in my zone. I'll make it happen. And the golden rule is delegation. You delegate it to the right kind of people, and you take up the right kind of jobs for yourself as well. It is very important to know what to say no to rather than saying what to say yes to. It is very important to know that.
I would lastly ask you about your future plans. Of course, we know that हम आपको 83 में भी देखने वाले हैं, but उसके अलावा, if you could share anything with us.
See, my future plans consists of 3 things: digital, television, and films. I want to be one of the most unique talents in the country who's relevant on all 3 mediums.
Yeah.
And I want to be relevant on all the mediums because I am that guy who works 24/7. I am that guy who thinks about work 24/7. I am the Shah Rukh Khan mentality. I am that guy who wants to be on the top of his game. My competition is nobody else but me. I want to be on the top of my game. Yes, all these guys that you took names of are legendary, but I can't consider anybody my competition because मैं इकलौता ऐसा unique piece हूँ. तो मेरी खुद से ही है और मुझे खुद से ही एक्सेल करना है. और 3 Idiots में बोला गया है, एक्सेलेंस के पीछे भागो, सक्सेस खुद झक मार के पीछे आएगी. क्या बात है? So, I believe in that.
Thank you so much. More and more love to you. And I can't wait for audiences to actually mention you on tweets that, you know, we could actually think of Nawazuddin from Raman Raghav, Shahid from Heather. Yes, Ashutosh Rana, I was scared of him as a kid, you know, when I watched some guy.
He was the postman.
Yeah, my mother used to call him Sadhu Baba. Sadhu Baba आ जाएगा, खाना खा लो चुपचाप.
Wow. तो अब लोगों को बोलना चाहिए ना, बच्चा चौधरी आएगा बेटा, खाना खा लो.
Absolutely. So all the best to you. Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting.
Likewise. This is so much fun. Thank you so much.